Yeah, I wanted to show you the other piece I was working on. That's this piece here. So what this is a piece that mounts on the vise. The vise is inside of here, and it sticks up, and the part is up here. And this piece mounts on the vise. And what it does is, before, when I was rotating it, the piece of plastic was getting caught on these corners, and I was constantly having to readjust it to keep it from pulling. So the plastic will come in over this piece and have a circular piece in the center, circular hole where the part will rotate. And then the outside here, the plastic will rotate on this piece instead of that corner, so it won't pull it. So I got two mounting holes here and two mounting holes here, and this sits just below the surface of the vise. And I'll show you on the unit itself. So this is the vise, and this is the corners, these four corners where the plastic was getting caught. So this is the mount for that piece, and there's one on the other side, and I got the four screws. So that piece mounts on there. Like that. And then the plastic will ride on this plastic piece. Well, the plastic bag will ride on this plastic piece, and that way it won't get caught on these corners. Now it should work. It's because I constantly had to readjust it last time, and it's something that I shouldn't have to do. So another thing did was that diamond. The diamond I made. It doesn't have the mount anymore. It's got a different mount. When I was looking at it, it was standing up like that. And the more I looked at it, it really didn't look like a diamond. It looked like something that went on like a flagpole or a fence pole or a light pole. It looked like something that went on top of something. So I took it off and I cut it, and I 3D printed this bracket. Well, it's not a bracket, it's a mount. And I did that so it could lay down for, like when you're transporting it, or just generally speaking, just laying down. Then when you want to look at it, you could stand it up like that, and the weight of the aluminum diamond keeps it upright, because this plastic is a lot lighter than the diamond. And also, when you shine a flashlight on it, you have a little dark, got like the old disco ball. It shines all these different segments of light all over the place. But I think it looks a lot better now. So I just 3D printed this mount. I got a little threaded thing on here with a little slot on the top to adjust it. Little point. I put a little starter drill point on the top of that diamond. I just held it in my hand and just drilled it with the drill. Then I got a little piece of plastic on the bottom with a hole in it to where the point of the diamond fits in that hole, and it's just pressed in there. But it looks like a diamond now. You know, before it didn't, but now it does. So that was another thing I did. And it rotates, you know, it'll rotate here. But yeah, that's what I did so far. So I got the unit here. I got the 2mm tubing on it instead of the, what was it, 8. So it gives a little more flexibility when it's rotating. And I'm just waiting to put it back out on the machine and make something else. Okay. We'll talk to you later.